Yeah, hello everybody. Thank you very much for tuning in today. And today is going to be a live trading, which is a London session. So right here we got this AUD So if you have any pair that you guys are trying to look at, so just try and comment it down in the comment below. I'll be able to say it so that I can just be checking it for you guys, right? So right here today is yeah, hello everybody. I see everybody saying hi, hello. Okay. Somebody says that please do Nasdaq GBP USD. Okay. We're trying to be checking the Nasdaq GBP USD whatsoever. But right now GBP USD is one of the trades that me and my premium students and VIP students, we are already in that GBP USD, right? So GBP USD actually is gonna go for about 600 or 600 pips, right? Of course, yesterday we took about 120 pips on that GBP USD, but right now I'm still waiting for this GBP USD to finish retracement before I get in um for my trade again, because there's something that we call compounding with every time you try to compound in the forex market, right? So I see everybody saying hello, hi, yeah, hello, good morning. If you are here, man, thank you very much for tuning with us, because this is the right place for you to be able to ask me question or try to tell me, hey, Israel, check this particular pair for me, check this for me. I'll be able to do it live and direct, because this is where we are doing everything live. So yeah, thank you very much everybody. As you already know that we only have about 11 minutes now for us to enter London session, right? Please don't forget to share this video, like it, and because there are a lot of people out there, they are trying to make it in the forex market, but they don't have the right knowledge to do it, right? So share with them so that they might find all the information that I'm going to share with you guys today very, very informative, right? So like I've said earlier on, that please give it a thumbs up. Thumbs up is very, very good, and it does help the channel to grow. And that's how you can tell me, hey, Israel, what you are doing right here on YouTube, we are actually appreciating it. So how do you appreciate it? Is by subscribing to the channel and clicking the thumbs up, which is like button, right? So yeah, I see a lot of people are still commenting in the comment section. Like I've said earlier on, that please and please, if you have any particular pair that you want me to just be checking out for you, just try and comment it down in the comment below. Hey, say, hey, Israel, please can you check this particular pair for me? And we'll do it right here, right now. So right here, and as you already know, this is the AUDJPY 4-hour time frame, right? And I'm a price action trader and a naked chart trader. So if, like I've said, if you have any pair, just try to uh, comment it down in the comment section so that all of us can kind of start trading it, because right now we are about to check AUDJPY, especially AUD pairs, or GBP USD, like somebody said GBP USD, somebody said Nasdaq, right? So first of all, before I go to my pair, let's try to go down and check. As you can see, these are the pairs that I'm just kind of trying to look out for trading, right? So let's go down to Nasdaq. Let me try to check. Let me check for Nas 100. Okay, I had my analysis for Nasdaq as well. Okay, this is Nasdaq now daily time frame, right? So this Nasdaq daily time frame, and as you can see that the Nasdaq has been going to the upside for long period of time, right? As you can see, this is weekly time frame and it's still going to the upside. So first of all, I'm not here for this Nasdaq trade, but for the sake of one of our viewer, he said that we should try to check the Nasdaq, right? That's why we are checking Nas 100 right now at the moment. So right now, I'm seeing this Nasdaq as a, overall uptrending market, right? So since we already know that the overall trend of this particular pair is uptrending, let me try to go down to daily time frame so I can see exactly what's going on right there as well, right? So this is Nasdaq daily time frame right here, right? So what are we supposed to be doing right here on this daily time frame? As you usually know that I put my support and resistance line on the daily time frame, then I go down to 4 hour time frame to see some potential another support and resistance line on the 4 hour time frame as well. So right now, let me just try and analyze the Nasdaq for you. Then we go to currency pairs in order for us to trade this London session, right? Because we only have about 7 minutes left before we enter the London session. So these are my support and resistance line on the daily time frame being NAS 100. So these are the support and resistance line on the daily time frame, right? Then the next thing that I'm supposed to do right here is I will go down to 4 hour time frame so I can check out what exactly is happening on this particular pair being Nasdaq, right? And as you can see that the market was just pretty good going down to the downside right here, but got broken. So right now I'm seeing some support and resistance lines right here on the 4 hour time frame again for this NAS 100. Okay, yeah, guys. Let's continue with the NAS 100 analysis first before we we go and check out for some currency pairs in order for us to trade, right? And as you can see that on this 4 hour time frame, Nasdaq has been trying to go down to the downside, but all of this move, if you check it on daily time frame, it was just a retracement to try to retrace before it continue going up to the upside, right? So this is just a retracement on the daily time frame. And if you go down to weekly time frame as well, this was just a retracement right there again, right? But let's just continue on our 4 hour time frame. And as you can see that, which type of market pattern is this? Somebody just try and let me know down in the comments below. Just try and let me know which type of market pattern or market structure are you seeing right here before it start going to the upside. Just try and let me know. Let me see if you guys do follow me on what I'm seeing. Oh, screen is frozen. But because right here and my network is pretty good. Okay. Okay, let me try to see, guys. Sorry for that. Sorry for that. Let me try to see. I'm checking it. Sorry for the frozen screen, right? Okay. I'm trying to see what exactly is going on. Oh wow. Just bear with me, guys. I'm having some kind of technical issues, right? I'm trying to fix it. If it will go. Okay. I don't know what exactly is happening. But right here, the screen is not frozen. I'm trying to switch to another pair as well. What's going on? What's going on? Signal is pretty good right here, but the output monitor is still okay, you know. I'm checking it. I'm checking everything. The output monitor is still pretty good as well, but yeah, let me try to see if I can just put another one, you know. What about this now, guys? Do you guys see what I'm doing right here now? Do you guys see it? Okay, okay. Thank you very much. It's back now. It's back. Okay. Yeah. As I was saying, that's Nasdaq for our time frame, right? Okay, DJ, it's oh SI, you're here, man. Wow, that's good. That's good. Okay, yeah. So this is Nasdaq. Uh, so this is Nasdaq for our time frame. As you know that we already plotted our support and resistance line on the daily time frame, right? This is the daily time frame right here. But I'm not praying for this my screen to froze again, so that we'll just be seeing the daily time frame, you know. Okay, yeah. Let's try to continue, but let me see what exactly is going on. Okay, okay. I'm trying to get what is happening. I'm trying to see. Okay, if I put the full screen, then froze it, right? So maybe we'll try to just analyze it on the half screen. I think that would be far much better than all these getting frozen, and things like that. Yeah, got it. Trying to see how far we can go about this. I don't want to do all these kind of interruptions because this is interruption, but I think it's far much better now, right? I think it's far much better now. Can you guys let me know? I won't enlarge the screen anymore. I'll just okay, yeah, that's cool. So right here it is the Nasdaq 4 hour time frame, right? As you know that we plotted our support and resistance line on the daily time frame, but right here it is the 4 hour time frame where we are going to see if we still have some potential support and resistance line right here again. So I asked a question saying that how and why do you see all this kind of move to the downside? Which type of market structure is this? Can anybody just try and spot out which type of market structure you see right here? Of course, we know that this was just a retracement, but you have to let us know that which type of market structure is it based on the fact that whenever time you're trying to trade in the forex market, you're supposed to know exactly the market structure, market pattern, and also the price action that you are trying to trade, right? So what are you supposed to be looking at is you're supposed to look at where the market direction is. That's the market structure. Then the market pattern, which type of market pattern is the forex market playing out at the current price, right? That's the market structure. This is how I speak, man. So if you can't understand it, just you can continue and that's it. That's how I speak. Yeah, I'll try and check GJ, but we are trying to kind of finish the analysis for NAS 100 first before we continue before we go down to GBP JPY, right? So yeah, as you usually know that this is the Nasdaq 4 hour time frame. So what we are supposed to do right here is we are supposed to put our trend line, right? And as you can see, this is how the trend line is supposed to be for this particular pair, right? Being NAS 100. If you go down to 1 hour time frame, you understand what exactly I'm talking about right here. So let's go down to 4 hour time frame. But right here, I was just kind of seeing the NAS 100 being going down to the downside for a retracement, right? So it was just retracing. So as you can see, these are some potential places that this Nasdaq is going to turn, right? But since this is 4 hour time frame, so what I'm going to be waiting for this Nasdaq to do is I'll wait for a retracement to come and retest this particular level before I will expect it to continue going up to the upside, right? So right here, and as you can see that the Nasdaq was just kind of trying to make this move to the downside, lower low, lower high, lower low, lower high, which confirms that the market is downtrending, right? But right now, and as you can see, this is our previous resistance level, and before Nasdaq started buying, you already know that you had your double double bottom right here. So first things first, what I'm seeing on this particular NAS 100 is I'm seeing that the market was trying to go to the downside, and right now it has made some changes right here. And as you can see that this is my trend line confirming that the market is going down to the downside, right? So it was making a lower low, lower high, lower low, lower high, but right at this point when this trend line got broken, you see that this is one of the candlestick patterns that me and my students do usually trade, right? Because in the forex market we have a lot of candlestick patterns, but right now this candle that you see right here, we do call it a hanging man. So how do you trade a hanging man in the forex market? I personally have a method that I do trade this particular type of candlestick in the forex market. Right now, our first confirmation is supposed to be this double bottom. Then second confirmation is this trend line got broken. Other than that, after the trend line got broken, and as you can see that we saw some sort of retracement, as it retraces, then the market try to shoot to the upside, right? So right here, it is an equal low, or you can see double bottom, right? But when the trend line go try to go broken, come down to the downside, and you saw a move making it to be a higher low, not lower high, because this move right here to this point, it is what we call lower high, and from here to the downside, it is what we call a higher low. So since we already know that this is a high low move and we see this particular candlestick pattern, what are we supposed to do right here? We're supposed to wait for another confirmation before we get in for the buy for on this particular pair, right? So yeah, so what I'm waiting for this NAS 100 to do now, I'm waiting for it to come down and retest this particular level before it will start going up to the upside. And of course, if you want to confirm that, you can take your Fibonacci retracement, then you can know exactly where is gonna go to the upside or to the downside, right? But in this case now, we are trying to look out for the NAS 100. So that's my 61%. So pay attention to all these kind of numbers on your Fibonacci retracement. So this is the 50% and this is my 38%. So these are the potential places whereby this NAS 100 will start going up to the upside. So it might start going up right at this point because this is my previous resistance line. As you usually know that in an uptrending market, resistance turn to support, resistance turn to support. So if NAS 100 break out of this my first resistance line, then definitely it will come down to this point before you start buying. And if it break out of this line, definitely it will start buying right at this point. And if it broke this line, I will expect it to start buying from this point. And once you break out of this, I'm not going to get in for the buy again. I will just wait for the next move because it is very, very good for you to kind of exercise patience whenever time you're trying to trade forex market, right? Because if you are not patient enough, definitely the market is just gonna play and do whatsoever the market makers decide to do. So yeah, right now we are waiting for this NAS 100 to come down and retest all these levels before we get in for the buy. But definitely let me just try to go to the this is 15 minutes time frame, and as you can see that these are potential places where NAS 100 will start buying to the upside. So this is just 15 minutes time frame. This 30 minutes time frame. Okay, yeah, as I was saying, what's happening? Seeing a blank screen. Okay. Okay, yeah. This is Nasdaq again, 30 minutes time frame. So I'm waiting for it to come down and retest all these particular zones before you start buying to the upside, right? Because whenever time you try and trade in the forex market, it is very important for you to kind of exercise patience, guys. That's very, very important. It's very good. So if you check our 4-hour time frame, we said that these are some potential places where NAS 100 is supposed to start buying to the upside. So like I said earlier on, that before I start trading my pairs, just trying to give me maybe one or two pairs so that we can check them out and know exactly what we're expecting on them. Do you guys still hear me? So let's try to check the GBP JPY. So we can see some potential trade to trade today, right? So this is GBP JPY now. This is GBP JPY daily time frame at the moment. So let's try to put our support and resistance line right here. But even if without putting your support and resistance line, you can know what to expect on this particular pair, right? So this is my support and resistance line for this GBP JPY on the daily time frame. And right here, it is, yeah, it is the GBP JPY. And so as you can see that the market was just trying to go down to the downside right here. So this was just kind of some sort of retracement to retrace all the way to where support level is, right? So this is where the market found its support before it started buying now to the upside. Of course, I'm still expecting this particular pair being GBP JPY to still buy all the way to the upside. But first of all, before you start buying, you have to look out for some sort of price action signals or things that will tell you, okay, the market is actually going to buy to the upside, right? So before I consider this GBP JPY to be, to continue buying all the way to the upside, as you can see, this is it. So now we are on 4-hour time frame, not daily time frame anymore. As you can see, this green line that you are seeing right here, it is the support line that we put on the on the daily time frame, right? So right here, let me just try to go down. Yeah, for sure. I'm expecting this GBP JPY to buy. In fact, let's try to start our live trading. So this 15-minute time frame. So we are not going to be doing swing trading or maybe intraday trading or whatsoever. So today's trading is just going to be like kind of a day trade or some hours, right? Based on the fact that this is just live streaming and we won't be able to withstand or stay for that long, right? So this is it right here, the GBP JPY. So my stop loss is going to be down here, but let's try to check the small time frame. Okay. Yeah, for sure. But first of all, we're supposed to expect a break out of this line before you start buying. But right now, I'm seeing some potential buy right away. If you take your Fibonacci retracement, it's just rejecting this particular 38% on Fibonacci retracement. But let me try to see. Yeah, for sure. I'm still expecting this particular pair to buy right away. So let's try to go to our, well, let's set our, let's set it right here. So this is where our stop loss is going to be, and definitely since we are risking 45 pips, we are supposed to go for at least 90 pips to make it our 1 to 2 risk to reward ratio, right? But first of all, let's try to wait for this candle to close. Okay. Yeah, sorry for the interruption, guys. I have some things going on here. Sorry for the interruption. Okay, yeah, as I was saying, this is the GBP JPY right now. So I'll go for 90 pips. So right away, I'll buy this GBP JPY. But bear in mind, before you start buying it, remember we are risking 45 pips right away. Because as you can see that the GBP JPY just came down for retracement, and right now I'm seeing that the GBP JPY has finished a retracement. That's why you see me. I want to get in for the buy right now. Let me just. I'm trying to execute the trade on my MT4, because I kind of like the buy as well. Trying to see. And as you can see, GBP JPY is actually gonna go to the upside, man. So if you want to trade live trading today, you're supposed to get in for the buy on the GBP JPY. So of course, as we are progressing, we're trying to set our stop loss, take profit, and things like that, right? So I'm executing the trade right now because kind of as you can see, GBP JPY is gonna go to the upside and it's going, man. Is going, is going, is going. Okay, yeah, I execute my trade now on the GBP JPY. So let's see how far can it play out, right? Of course, as you can see that GBP JPY is going. Yeah. Of course, I'm not going to explain everything that I'm saying before I say that, okay, the market is going to buy to the upside, right? So, but right now, I hope and I think that you guys are already in this particular trade, right? So remember, we are risking about 45 pips on this particular setup. So let's try to set our stop loss, take profit, and things like that on this GBP JPY before we continue trading for the day, right? Since this is where our entry point is, so our take profit is going to be right here at the 30 pips, as you can see. So you can just go and start modifying your trade, put your take profit at price 136017. So I will go down to so I will try and write it down in the comment section as well, so that all of us can have same take profit and stop loss, right? But remember, we are risking about 45 pips right here in order for us to make about 90 pips, right? So our take profit, or my take profit right here is let me just try to say the take profit and stop loss all together, 135.715. So we are risking 45 pips right here. And remember, don't over trade on your account, guys. Never over trade, because it is very, very good for you to compound on your account rather than over trade. So just stake small lot size, and once we see a breakout of this and come down retest, or if we see that the market is actually moving very strong in our direction, we're gonna kind of try to compound on our account right here, right? So right now, let me just go to comment section so I can tell you guys what my, please kindly look up GBP NZD and things like that. Wow. Yeah, for sure, I will try and look out for it as well. So GBP JPY buy signal, GBP JPY. I'm trying to, kind of trying to write our take profit and stop loss down in the comment section. So TP1 equals to our 136.0.17. 0.17, that's the TP1. Then our stop loss is equals to is 135.715. Don't worry, we are not just going to be trading for the whole day or maybe for some days. This is just live trading, and we are just going to be trading maybe for about 2 or 3 hours together before uh, you know before we end the call and then we continue in our another live session or live trading, right? So that's the first take profit for our GBP JPY right there and together with the stop loss, right? So let me try update those that they are not um, together with us right here on the live trading, right? So I'm trying to update them so that they can know what we are doing, and maybe they might start buying also. It depends on what they are seeing in the forex market as well. So, and you guys, I can see that the GBP is about getting to 5 pips in profit, right? Getting to 5 pips in profit right now. It's still going, but let's try to see. So our second take profit is going to be 50 pips. So that's the second take profit right there. It is 50 pips, right? So let me set the 136.219. That's our take profit. That's our second take profit being 50 pips. And our final take profit being 90 pips. So our last take profit is 136. So sorry guys, I'm trying to set everything up, so that I can start updating you on what we are supposed to be doing and things like that, right? Okay, cool, cool, cool. I think I've set it my stop loss, take profit, and first take profit, second take profit, and also our third take profit right now. And please take note, guys, if the GBP JPY is buying, definitely um, GBP USD also supposed to be buying. But right now, we are not trading the GBP USD, but we are trading the GBP JPY right here on YouTube, right? So let's try to go and be monitoring our trade on either the 15-minute time frame or the 5-minute time frame. So as you can see, GBP JPY started buying, but let's try to go down to. So this is the 15-minute time frame. GBP JPY right now is still going up to the upside, and right now it is about 5 pips in profit. So we will see if it will go and hit our first take profit, then 30 pips, right? So yeah, and as you can see, guys, GBP JPY is kind of trying to move in our direction, and right now it is about 11 pips in profit. 11 pips in profit. So this is how we trade, man. Yeah, GBP JPY. Come on, let's go, man. Yeah, and as you can see, it's just moving in our direction, and we are pretty good with that. So let's try to wait for first take profit. Yeah, so forex trading is very simple and very easy if you know exactly what you are doing in the forex market. But if you don't know what you're doing, definitely you might end up just losing your money, losing money here and there, right? So right now we are trading live on YouTube. So just for you to support my channel, just give this video a thumbs up. Also share it with friends and family. They might find this particular video helpful as well. Based on it is very good for us to kind of support us. Oh, Merex, how you doing? How you doing? Wow, that's cool. That's cool. Thank you everybody for tuning with me today. And so right now, GJ, come on, GJ, let's go. So yeah, we are just waiting for this particular pair to kind of go and start hitting our take profit, which is going to be our first take profit. After which, we'll try to set our stop loss to break even. Okay, yeah, we are still here. So GJ is trying to play us, right? Never mind. This is just kind of for GJ want to try and get out all these people that they will be emotionally unstable whenever time they are trying to trade forex, right? I am from India. Okay, that's cool. That's cool. Look, GBP CHF. Yeah, GBP CHF. I'm expecting a buy on GBP CHF as well as see GBP JPY, GBP USD, and GBP CHF. I'm expecting a buy on all of them. But please and please, you guys should not just go and start trading the GBP JPY, GBP USD blindly. Nah, I'm not saying that you should just go and start trading it anyhow like that. No, please, before you start trading, at least know your risk to reward ratio, and also so you can know exactly what type of lot size you can use on your account, right? As you already know that we risk about 2% of our account size right here on our trading channel, either the premium channel, the free channel, anyone. We are just risking 2% of it. That's the maximum. The maximum is three. The least is two, right? Of course, you can still risk 1% of your account. But right here, whenever time you come to ITT, we risk about 2% of our account. So this is the 5 minute time frame now for this GBP JPY, and I usually monitor my trade on the 15 minute time frame in order for me to just kind of settle myself down, and we trade the either GBP JPY, GBP USD, whatsoever that we are trading in the forex market. So somebody asked, can I just check GBP CHF, right? I think it's GBP CHF. So as you can see, GBP CHF is actually going to buy as well. It's moving the way GBP JPY is moving as well. So yeah, I'm expecting GBP CHF, but let it start to break out of this. I want it to break out of this level first before I consider it as it will go up to the upside. So this is what I'm expecting on this GBP CHF. I'm expecting a break out of it like this, then probably come down, retest again before going up to the upside. Why will it start turning at this level? It is because I'm seeing this was a previous support line. So it will just kind of act as a resistance right there. Then this right here, it will start going like this one will act as a support line before it will start going up to the upside, right? So yeah, we are still here waiting for. Though I didn't go down to 4 hour time frame, 5 hour, 4 hour time frame, daily time frame, or weekly time frame on this GBP CHF, but I know exactly what the market is about to do before it start misbehaving, right? So this is GBP JPY. Since that's what we are trading right now, let's try to be monitoring our trade, right? So GBP JPY, I'm still expecting it to go all the way to the upside since we are risking about 45 pips. No need to be panicking, guys. All this move that you are seeing is not a valid move to the downside. Of course, I'm still in my trade. I'm still in my trade. I don't panic. Nothing. Still trading. Right now, I'm up more than I think I'm up $120 at the moment. 130, 140. So it depends on the lot size that you are using on your account, and it depends on your account size, right? Yeah, let's go, GJ is going, man. 30 pips first take profit, 50 pips second take profit, and 90 pips last take profit being third take profit, and we'll be done for the day, man. So yeah, right now we are up about we are up about 12 pips right now on GJ, 12 pips in profit right now. So let's go, come on, man. So yeah, keep on sharing this video, keep on sharing, because there are a lot of people out there trying to trade forex, but they don't have the right knowledge, or they don't know how to trade, right? So it will help them to kind of know exactly how to trade in the forex market, as we are trading live and direct right now from my office, right? So come on, let's go. GJ. GJ is trying to go for our first take profit right away, right? So you guys are in money, you know. let's go, because I gotta support you as well so that you know how we trade in the forex market, and it is very very simple and easy. No, don't gamble the market, man. Don't gamble the market. Of course, I didn't tell you what I'm seeing on this particular GJ before we got in for the buy, right? But right now, I saw a lot of things, a lot of confirmations before I got in for the buy on this particular GBP JPY. So if you want to know exactly what me personally I'm looking out for on any pair, or any currency pair or indexes or indices that I'm trying to kind of trade in the forex market. So because me personally, I go for about 4 to 5 signal confluences before I get in for buy also in the forex market. So right now, I think our biggest challenge now right here, it is for us to break out of this resistance line before GJ will shoot up to the upside. Of course, I'm still waiting for this GJ to break out of this. Once you break out of this, I might add more lot sizes so I can ride it all the way to where our first profit is going to be, right? So our challenge at the moment is to break out of this our previous resistance level. And as you can see, guys, I don't use any indicator, not indicator, nothing, only naked chart and price action signal. That's what I'm using right here on my channel and right here on my account as well. No indicators, nothing, only naked chart and price action. That's why I'm a price action trader and a naked chart trader. So yeah, guys, if you still have any particular pair that you want me to look out for you, you just comment it down in the comment below. Okay, somebody is saying, I love this live trade, Israel. Can we do more any other time? Yeah, for sure, for sure. So these are just faster live trade right here on my channel, right? So if you guys like or love this particular live trading stuffs, we'll try to continue maybe London session, New York session, because those are the two sessions that I trade in the forex market, right? So I trade London session, and also I trade New York session, because Asian session and Frankfurt, all these type of sessions, because let me try to see how many sessions we have in the forex market. We have a lot of them, but out of them, I just trade New York and London session. So these are the sessions that we have in the forex market. We have New York session, we have Sydney section, sorry, we have Sydney, we have Tokyo, we have Frankfurt, we have London, we have Johannesburg, and we have Hong Kong, and we have Singapore, and we have also Mumbai and Shanghai. So we have a lot of trading sessions right here in the forex market, right? But out of them, I just trade two, which is London session and New York session right here. Come on, GJ, let's go, let's go. We are also in this trade, man. We are also in this trade, and right now, GJ is going. Let me try to show you my results. So that you guys can know that me personally also, I got into this GBP JPY, right? So yeah, as you can see, GBP JPY is trying to react to this my resistance line. Of course, once this resistance line break, definitely the GBP JPY is going to shoot all the way to the upside. So let's try and be patient, guys, and wait for breakout to happen. So let's try and wait for this to break out before we can now say, okay, the market is ready to move and continue going all the way to the upside, right? Shoot up, GJ. GJ, let's go. Let's go. I know you can do this, man. You can break this resistance. I know you will do it, So of course, if you are trading, you'll be thinking that, oh my god, oh my god, oh my god, it's gonna go in my it's gonna go against me, it's gonna go against me. Oh my god, right? But right here we don't do that. You do the analysis yourself, then you do your stop loss, do your take profit. If it hits your stop loss, definitely the market used to do that. Even me personally, there is a day that I do have my stop loss hit and take profit here, right? But right now, we are seeing that the market is going in our direction, right? So we are expecting that we will have our first take profit hit on this particular pair being GBP JPY right now, right here, live and direct on Israel the Trader channel, right? So just don't forget to like this video and also share it with your friends and family, guys. That's how you can just support my channel and support us right here on this channel. Yeah, GBP JPY is about to go and hit our first take profit right now, and it's still moving, right? It's still moving. Yeah, GG, come on. Okay, I'm in a buy at AUDJPY and sell on CAD CHF, right? Of course, I was trying to check the CAD CHF and the um what is it called? And the CAD CHF. I was trying to check it out as well. But right now, we are on the GBP JPY. Come on, GG. GG, we are breaking the resistance. Yeah, for sure, for sure. Right now, we are about to break out of the GBP JPY resistance level, right? Of course, come on, come on, come on. It can do it, man. So GJ is about to hit our first take profit at the moment. Right now, as you can see, it's trying to react to this our resistance line, right? Of course, I know it's gonna break out of it because the move is really gonna go to the upside, not to the downside. Uh, Nothing like fear you being scared of maybe to come down against you and hit you out, right? No, don't think like that, guys. Don't think like that. It's actually gonna go in our direction. So we are here trading live with you guys today, right? So that you can know exactly how I manage my psychology and also how I manage my emotions, rather. How I manage my emotions if I'm in a trade. Also, right now, and as you can see, everything is moving smooth and nothing like being upset or trying to be scared of the market. No, just do your analysis once and for all. Get into the trade, set your stop loss, set your take profit, first take profit, second take profit, and third take profit. Then go and sleep. Whichever hits, your first take profit hits, your second take profit hits, all you are in profit right now. GJ, come on, let's go, man. Come on, GJ. Come on, come on, GJ. I know you're gonna do this, man. You're gonna do this because I know what you can do. For sure, I know what you can do. GBP JPY, GBP JPY. That's what we are trading right here on YouTube. So yeah, let me try and check comment section. Maybe you guys are. I'm up 7% on the FTMO 10K challenge. Learned a lot from you. Oh, that's cool, man. That's cool. Right now, that means a lot to me. That means a lot to me. That means a lot to me because you are up 7% are all from Israel the Trader. That's how you can learn how to trade forex, and that's how you are up 7% on your account, right? So what I can advise you right now is that just try to don't trade aggressively before you start trading. Know exactly what is your risk to reward ratio and what is the lot size that you are supposed to kind of execute on your account, right? And another thing though, risk about 0.5% of your account size on the FTMO account, because if you calculate it, just trying to go and check one of my video that I made about how, I think it was 11 tips of how you can pass your FTMO challenge, things like that. I think I did the video and I uploaded it on YouTube, right? So of course I think maybe that's where you learned it from. So that's cool, man. That means a lot to me. That's cool. That's cool. You know. So we are here trading GBP JPY. So right now GBP JPY is still gonna go to the upside, and we will be expecting our first take profit to be triggered. So GBP JPY, come on GJ, break out, man. So right now we are on 5 minutes time frame, trying to monitor our trade on the 5 minutes time frame, right? Because this is where you can monitor your trade. Yeah, we are still here. We are still here waiting for the GBP JPY to break out of this resistance line before we can see our first take profit to be triggered, right? So I just sent my result on our Telegram channel. That's a public Telegram channel, or that's a free Telegram channel, right? So of course, sir, we are still in some trade, me and my students. So we took about 125 pips yesterday, man. We don't play right here on Israel the Trader channel. We don't play right here. All we count here is our check profit hit, first, second, third, or fourth check profit. Yesterday we are up 125 pips. So that's how we can do it, and that's how you can do it also once you are able to know exactly what you are doing in the forex market. And how do you know what you are doing is the right thing to do in the forex market? Because when I started trading, me personally, I don't have any or anything like mentor or anything like that, right? But I try to kind of improve myself to just learn how to trade and do things like that. So of course you can do something like that, but it will take you a long period of time in order for you to learn how to trade on your own. Of course, me personally, I learned it on my own. You can tell me, hey Israel, since you learn it on your own, I can still do it on my own as well. Yeah, for sure. I'm not saying you cannot do it on your own, but if you want to know exactly that what you are doing in the forex market is the right thing to do, you can get a mentor, because mentor, they will enhance your learning and do a lot of things, right? So if you are able to get a mentor or get somebody that can teach you how to trade, they will exactly teach you what has been working. Because me, remember, I've spent 1 year, one whole year, just trying to back test, trade this type of setup. I've traded a lot of indicators. Not that I don't know how to use indicator. I know how to use indicator, but me personally, I don't like indicators being based on the fact that they lag, they lag, they lag, and they lag. So that's one of the reasons why I don't use indicators. So they lag behind. So I've the only indicator that can tell you, okay, you can start trading with it, I can say go on the be using Fibonacci and also be using your 200 moving average, 50 moving average. Those are the indicators that I can suggest to you that start trading with it, because the 50%, I mean the 50 moving average is your it does move with the market. GJ is still moving. Sorry guys for the interruption, Sorry for the interruption. Yeah, GJ, let's go. GJ about to hit our first self profit. Is about to hit our first self profit. Come on, GJ. Come on, GJ. What is happening? GJ. 30 pips, 30 pips is coming. 30 pips is coming. So this is a free signal for you guys today, and hopefully you enjoy it, and you can make some money along the way, right? Israel, please can you send me a hi on Telegram so I can chat you privately? Sorry, I'm seeing some things here. On how to join as a student are restricted, so I can't message you. My username is okay. That's cool. Let me try to see. Let me just try to check you out on Telegram, right? Um, yeah, I'm still here, man. I'm still here. Trying to set some things up. Trying to set some things up. Trying to set some things up. Come on, what's happening? Got it. Um, don't be scared, guys. Don't be scared. The market is still gonna go to the upside. That crypto dude. Good morning. This is the money. Oh wow. Thanks for the life. Wow. That's cool. That's cool. The money. I appreciate your support, man. I appreciate your support and everything. GU is moving with you. Yeah, GU, GBP JPY, GBP CHF, they are moving in the same direction. Of course, you might see some sort of market manipulations at times. So don't be expecting all these pairs to maybe move exactly same. It's not going to happen like that. You might see some sort of market manipulations. So GJ is trying to play us out, right? It's try to come and say, hey Israel, I want to go to the downside. No, I'm not expecting GJ to go down to the downside, man. It's still going to, it's still going to the upside, not to the downside. This one is just, but this is an engulfing candle, man. Come on, GJ. Come on, GJ. Okay. GBP is trying to play us out right now. So I'm seeing the trade. I'm seeing the trade. No need to be panicking, guys. Don't panic. Of course, you know that we did our risk reward ratio. We are risking about 45 pips on this particular trade. So you are supposed to know which type of lot size to use on your account, right? So if stop loss hits, it's still okay. If take profit hit, it's still okay. The only thing is don't make your stop losses much bigger than your take profit, or don't make your losing trade overshadow your winning trade, right? Let your winning trade overshadow your losing trade. That's very, very important in the forex market. Yeah, GJ is trying to play us, but I'm still in the trade. I'm still in the trade. So we are still here. We are still here. Waiting for that first check profit hit. So first check profit hits, then we set our stop loss to break even. Second check profit hit, we set our stop loss to our first check profit. Third check profit hit, and we are out completely out of the game. Or you can set your second check profit as your stop loss. Then there we go. We keep our trade as our maybe swing trade or whatsoever. I don't know if you guys do swing trading, because me, I do a lot of swing trade as well. Come on, GG, what's happening? Of course, I'm seeing another resistance line right here. So this was our resistance line. It might come down here again before it will start shooting up to the upside, right? See, guys, if you are monitoring your trade, just try to be spotting out where your support and resistance line are, because right now this is just a 5 minutes time frame, right? So as you can see, this is what the market is doing right now. Can you guys see this? What I'm seeing, what I'm doing right here? I think this color will be far much better. Come on, this is what I'm seeing. This is what might happen on this particular pair in the GBP JPY. All right now. So we are here monitoring our trade on this particular pair, GBP JPY. And of course, we are also in the trade, and we are expecting our first take profit to be hit, right? Come on, Gigi, what's going on? I know a lot of you guys will be saying, "Hey, Israel, what if this market hit my stop loss? What if it hit my stop loss? You know, I know that might happen, but I'm not saying that let it hit our stop loss. Of course, me personally, I don't want you to hit our stop loss as well. But I don't think that is gonna go to the downside, right? Nah, I'm not saying that. A lot of people are panicking right now. Let me try. Let me go and see comment section. What are you guys saying? Why long on GG? Yeah, that's those are the things that I'm not explaining here. We just got in for the buy on this particular PB, GBP right? I look out for four factors before I got in on the on this GBP I look out for some sort of price action signals, and as you can see, my green line right there. So this green line, it is a support that we plotted on the daily time frame. As you can see, this particular line here, it is a support on the daily time frame. Just bear that in mind. I did my analysis on the daily time frame and for our time frame, and of course we did it right here with you, live and direct on my YouTube channel, right? So like I said earlier on that if you guys would like to see all this kind of live trading, we can be doing it, and so that you can know exactly how to trade forex market, right? Because my mission right here, it is to unblock forex secret for you. I will unblock it, open your head, open your mind, open your brain. Everything about you is going to be open, so that all this forex knowledge can penetrate and enter inside your mind, your brain, everything about you, man. Come on, GJ, we are here, man. I'm still expecting you to go and hit my take profit, and as you can see, it's still gonna go in our direction, man. That's just kind of a what this engulfing candle that you saw right here on the 5 minutes out frame just wanted to get me panic and get out of my position, right? Of course, I'm not gonna get out of my position. I know what you, the market maker, will do is to go in my direction, and as you can see that is going, is moving, is going. So come on, GG, let's go, man. You can do this. You can do more than this. You can do more than this, you know. I remember when I took about, I think, 700 pips on one single trade. That was GU, man. That was GBP JPY. I mean, no, GBP USD, not GBP JPY. Yeah, it was 700 pips. So I took it and, keep my profit and everything. So it is very, very good for you to know exactly what you are doing in the forex market, man. Because if you know what you are doing, you don't have any excuse to tell me, "Hey, Israel, I'm not profitable, or I lose money today, or I blow my account," right? Of course, blowing off an account can happen to everybody, and even me myself, I do lose trade. I'm not somebody that will tell you that, "Hey, I win 100% of my trade, or 90% of my trade." Of course, if you are following me on my Telegram, my Instagram, my YouTube channel, and all my social media platforms, you got to know that, hey, I'm trying my best and I'm profitable trading forex in the forex market, and you can do so also, because I'm here to teach you, and I'm here to show you what is happening and how you can do it in the forex market. And right now, live and direct, I'm doing it right here in your presence, so you can confirm that, okay, I know exactly what I'm doing here in the forex market, right? So Remember, I said that when I started trading, I had no any mentor. I had no mentor, nothing, nothing, and we are just here, and it is what it is. I enter on the 4 hour chat. That's cool. That's cool, man. I'm waiting for you here on Telegram. But okay, yeah, that's cool. It's very good as you remind me. It is very very good. I'll try to go on the Telegram now. Look out for your what is it called, for your username so I can message you right there, right? Yeah, I'm checking it out, man. Let me try to see. Come on, GJ is still moving. Come on, GJ. You know. Yeah, that's pretty good, man. We had our first take profit hit on GJ. GBPJPY hit our first take profit right here on YouTube live trading. So we are up 30 pips. First take profit hit, first take profit hit. Shout out to you guys. And if you take that trade or if you took it, you had your first take profit hit, right? So set your stop loss to break even, and we wait for our second take profit to hit right now, right away on our GBP trade, right? So we are still waiting for this second take profit hit on our GBP I remember I made mention of saying that our second take profit is 50 pips, right? Come on, everybody. You guys are still here. So we are up about 30 pips right now on GBP live trading. Come on, everybody. Come on, let's go, man. GJ, going for our second take profit. And if you have any particular pair that you want me to look out for you, just try to write it down in the comment below so I can just see, okay, this is a particular pair that you want me to kind of analyze for you or do. Anything for you, right? So yeah, I'm still in the trade, man, after the first take profit hit because that's how we do it. After first take profit hit, you'll still be in the trade. So I'm waiting for second take profit and third take profit to hit right there. Come on, man, GJ, let's go. Yeah, it was to go to the upside. That's what I'm seeing on this particular PB, GBP JPY. As you can see, GJ, let's go, man. I know you can do this, because GJ is not a woman or is not a female, is a male. GJ is a male, my man. Sir, come on, GJ. Yeah, you guys should just continue telling me, okay, cat GPY or GU. The reason why I don't want to check on GBP USD. GBP USD is one of my private trade with me and my premium students. That's why I don't want to show you guys my analysis and how I break it down for my students, right? So sorry for that. But right now we are on GBP JPY. We take our first take profit for 30 pips. So we are up 30 pips on GBP JPY. Let me try to let you know that your first TB hit on GBP JPY. Plus 30 pips, right? I think we took about 30 pips on the GBP JPY. Let me try to maximize it so that it can be, because that's our first take profit. Yeah, GBP JPY. First TP hit on GBP JPY for 30 pips. We are up 30 pips right now. And yesterday we are up 125 pips. Me and my students, both the VIP signal channel and the premium students channel, right? Because I do explain to you guys that $50 is what we charge for 1 month subscription to our VIP signal channel, right? So what you will be getting right there is just signals, nothing like educational, nothing like material stuff, nothing, only signals. Buy so at so price, or I bought this at so price. Then I'll let you know your take profit, stop loss, and things like that. But I'll not be teaching you, no Zoom call, nothing right there as well. Yeah, we are still here waiting for GBP JPY to continue going to the upside all the way to our second take profit. And of course, that's what I'm expecting GBPJPY to do. And of course, it will do it, man, because we are in London session. And in how many hours from now? I think in 3 hours from, no, 4 hours from now. 4 hours from now, we'll enter New York session. And New York session, it's another section that I also like trading currency pairs as well. And please, guys, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up. Also, share it with your friends and family. That's how you can support me or help me to grow right here on YouTube, right? So please and please do share this video with your friends and family. Share it in any trading group, any your WhatsApp groups, your whatsoever. You can just share it with them because I do share education. I do share all of this for educational purpose. And also, as you can see, we are taking live trade right now with you guys, and we are up 30 pips right now. So that's it, guys. And most importantly, give this video a thumbs up. Thumbs up matters a lot, man. Smash it right now. I can see your screen. Smash it, smash it, smash it. So yeah, that's it. We are still here. GJ, come on, let's go. Second check profit, 50 pips. We are still here. We are still here, man. Waiting for GBP JPY to hit our second check profit. Because that's what we are. See, on ITT, let me just try to give you one thing about what makes us special, or what makes ITT very important thing, right? So right here on ITT, we deal with price action and naked chart. I don't teach my students how to use indicators, never, and I won't do that. But I recommend, if you're just trying to, kind of know how to trade forex, or if you are just new to the forex market, I suggest that you use this what is it called it? This moving average and Fibonacci retracement. And the moving average, you set your settings to 50 moving average and 200 moving average. Then the 50 moving average, you use it for your dynamic support and resistance. That's for your 50 moving average. While your 200 moving average is a long-term support and resistance right there on your screen, right? I see a lot of people, they just put maybe a lot of indicators. I saw somebody with about 14 indicators jam packed on his screen. So I'm kind of wondering, how are you able to analyze, or how are you able to see what is exactly happening on in the forex market on that particular year chart, right? So of course, if you are doing all those kind of things, I 100% know that definitely you're not going to be profitable trading forex, right? So yeah, we are waiting for GJ to go and hit our second check profit. Come on, GJ, let's go. We are still in GJ. We are still here waiting for GJ. Okay, Owana say I should message him on Telegram, right? Sorry for that, man. I just kind of doing some things. Let me see what. Right, some metic. I think I just sent you hi now. Are you Kokoti? Something like that. That's what I'm saying. Kokoti. Are you Kokoti? Owana? If you are still here, I'll send it. So yeah, let me try to check the card JPY for this. My brother, Mark John, right here. He said that GJ, let's go. GJ is moving and is flying. So we are waiting for GJ to hit our second take profit, right? Second take profit, GBP JPY will hit for about 50 pips right here on Israel the Trader YouTube channel, right? Thank you, boss. Oh, thank you as well. I think I've seen your message right now. But okay, card JPY, card JPY. Let me try to go and check card JPY for this, my brother. We'll try to check the 4 hour time frame, right? Yeah. If you are still watching, what's your name? Let me try to see what is your name right there. Your name is oh, okay, Mark John. Owana, no, not Owana. Mark John, Mark John, not Owana. It's Mark John. Yeah, if you're still here, let me try to check something right here. I'm having a lot of messages, man. A lot of things right here. I don't even know which one to answer. So yeah, if today's the first time right here on my channel, I forgot about it. Please subscribe to the channel. Also share with friends and family. Subscribe, man. Subscribe, because as you can see that we are taking about 30 pips and about 50 pips as our second take profit hit on this GBP JPY. We know what we are doing right here, man. We are not gambling the market. We are not gambling the market. We know exactly how to trade forex. And right now, you are seeing it live and direct, and you are witnessing it 30 pips on GBP JPY first take profit hit. Right now, we'll go down to some traders will maybe probably we'll go to New York session. I will trade New York session as well, but we'll see if we'll be able to trade during the New York session. Remember, I didn't send any signal to my VIP channel students and also my premium students. Of course, I will have to try to send signal to them. So maybe New York session, I and them will trade live and direct right there as well. So this one is for general VIP students, premium students, and free students. Right here we gather trying to trade London session live and direct right here on my YouTube channel, right? So let's try to analyze this CAD JPY. And right now, this is daily time frame for this CAD JPY. And who can tell me what exactly is happening right here on the daily time frame on this CAD JPY? Just go down to comment section and tell me, hey Israel, this is what is happening on the CAD JPY daily time frame, so I can know exactly that you guys are following and you guys know exactly what to do in the forex market. Come on, let's go, man. Tell me what's happening on this CAD JPY right now on the daily time frame. Yeah, we are still here trying to trade this London session. We'll see how far we can go about it, right? Downtrend. Oladipo Samu say is in downtrend, right? Of course, it is a downtrending market, but there's another thing that I want you guys to kind of specify right here on the downtrending market. Okay, so can you just tell me how a downtrending market does move and how you can trade it on either the daily time frame, 4 hour time frame, or whatsoever, right? Let me try to check GBP JPY. GJ is still moving right now. Come on, GJ. I know you can do this, man. GJ is still moving. And as you can see, did we just hit our second take profit? Let me see if we hit second take profit. Okay, now GJ is still moving, and it's still moving for how many pips? Let me try to count the pips. This is where we got in, right? This is where we got in. Okay, GJ is just about 36 pips now. 36 pips still moving, so we are about 14 pips to our second take profit hit. Okay, let me just try and see 36 pips moving so that we can know exactly that we are trading. Okay, let me see 36 pips moving for second take profit. And that's what is happening right now. We are witnessing it. So let me go down to CAD JPY so I can continue analyzing it for my brother. So yeah, this is CAD JPY daily time frame. And somebody say we are having a downtrending market on the this CAD JPY, right? Of course, we are having a downtrending market. So let me try to help you what I'm seeing on the CAD JPY. For sure, we are in a downtrend. So this is it on the daily time frame. This will be your trend line, right? On daily time frame. You know the reason why I omitted this, it is because this was just a retracement. So this is the exact first touch, and this was just a retracement and a little bit of fake out to the upside. So right now, this GBP JPY, CAD JPY might still come up to this level first before it will start going down to the downside. And there is a reason why I say that it will still go to the upside first before it will go down to the downside. If you observe another thing, we are having another trend that is moving like this to the upside, right? So you guys are seeing why I'm saying that it will still move to the upside before it will go down, right? So I think if you guys do follow what I'm doing right here, you should be able to kind of have knowledge of how you can do it. Same um on your chart. But first of all, let's just try to put our support and resistance line first so that I will not mislead you guys, right? Because I'm not ready to mislead any one of you. So as you can see, this is the support and resistance line for this particular pair being CAD JPY on the daily time frame. And as you can see, it's crystal clear, man. It's crystal clear. So what I'm expecting this particular market to do is, but I will try to see if it will break out of this level first. So it will have to come up to this level. If it break out of this, definitely this is the next destination. So right now, I'm expecting this CAD JPY to come up to this level, but before that, it has to break out of this first. It has to break out of this. Else, if it's not able to break out of that, it will come down and retest this or retest this trend line before it continue going up to the upside, right? So I'm expecting this CAD JPY to buy all the way to my previous resistance line. Another thing that I'm seeing is I'm seeing that the market is just kind of stuck in a range right here. It is a ranging market. That's why I'm expecting it to continue going up. This is a high low move, lower high, high low, and right now I'm expecting another move to go up to the upside, making it a lower high move. And if it break out of this level, I also expect another retracement to come down and retest this level before it continue going to the upside, right? So that's what I'm expecting on this particular pair being CAD JPY right on the daily time frame. And for your entry point, you go down to do 5 minutes, 15 minutes, or 30 minutes time frame. But me personally, I don't use 30 minutes time frame. You can still analyze it on your 4-hour time frame and 1-hour time frame as well, so you can have a clear understanding of what's going on in the market, right? Because no need for you to just get in blindly for buy or sell in the forex market whenever time you're trying to look out for some sort of entry point, right? So right now, I'm expecting CAD JPY to still go up to the upside for buy, right? Based on that, I'm seeing having a um I'm having a what is it called it? I'm having a ranging market. So whenever time we are trading ranging market, high, low, low, high, low, low, high. Right now we are expecting another lower high move to the upside. We'll see if it is able to break out of this my rectangle right here, right? So that's it about this CAD JPY right now, live and direct. So let's go down to GBP JPY and see what's going on. Oh yeah, GBP JPY right now is coming down for retracement before it will start going up again to the upside. But we're trying to see what's going to happen on this particular pair, right? So right now, it's coming down to retrace to this point before it will go up to the upside. So yeah, if you guys have any questions, so right now it is the right time for you to ask me any particular question that you have in the forex market so that I can answer you live and direct. so that you can understand how to trade forex, right? Yeah, okay, somebody is saying how to confirm. Okay, sorry for that. You say that to how to confirm that retracement ended and can enter again. So how you confirm that retracement has ended and you are ready to enter again? You can take note of that by your price action signals. So there are a lot of candlestick patterns that do tell me in the forex market to enter for a buy or sell in the forex market, right? So you look at for same candlestick patterns again to kind of confirm and tell you that okay, retracement has ended. Because before you even start buying for the first place, you're supposed to look out for some sort of candlestick patterns before you get in, right? So it's something that you can use if retracement has ended or is still going down or going up for retracement, right? And there's another tool that you can use to kind of help you to identify if retracement has ended or still going to the upside. And let's take for example that this is where the market started moving. And if you take your Fibonacci retracement, this tool tells you that okay, the retracement has ended or is still going on a retracement, right? So this is my 50%, this is my 38%, and this is my 23%. But right here on this Fibonacci retracement, pay attention to your 38%, 50%, and 61%. That's how you can exactly know okay, the market has finished a retracement or is still on a retracement, right? So try to look out for that. So that's how you can know if the market has finished retracement or is still on a retracement. So that's how you can do it. Okay. What confirmation do you look out for on the lower time frame to time your entry in order to minimize drawdown or pullback? As you can see right here on this GBP JPY, we didn't have any drawdown, no drawdown, nothing, nothing. We just got in, and right now it's going for our second take profit, right? This is where we got in during when the London session market was open. So this is where we got in right here, right? So there was nothing like drawdown, nothing for us on this particular pair, right? So we personally look out for some sort of price action signals on this particular pair, and right here on ITT or Israel Trading Channel, I kind of teach my students how they can be profitable in the forex market. And right now, if you are here just trying to ask me, what are the things that you are looking out for on the lower time frame? So okay, let me just kind of give you hints. Let me just give you hints, but this is not what exactly we are looking out for. So if you're on lower time frame, and as you can see, the as per out that the market is making a high, low, high, low, moving to the upside, right? And on my daily time frame, I mean, on my bigger time frames, like do we analyze this particular GBP JPY? We analyze it on the daily time frame, right? So right now, I'm expecting that the market is going to go to the upside. So I look out for all of these confirmations. Of course, I got in for the buy right here when we started trading this particular pair, right? So I look out that okay, the market is making a high, low on the market. Then that's how I was able to spot out that okay, the market is going to go to the upside, keeping in mind of my analysis that I did on the daily time frame. So that's how I do it, and that's just a hint that I can give you right here. Of course, if you want to be getting premium stuffs, you have to join my yeah, you gotta be a student, or you have to you have to join us right there in order for you to get premium stuffs. Premium students get a premium stuffs, VIP students get a VIP stuffs. That's how we go about it on our channel. So yeah, GJ is just trying to calm down for retracement, but right now I'm still expecting this GJ to go and hit our second take profit, man. There is no excuse, no doubt about it. Come on, GJ. Come on, GJ. Let's go. So we are here still trading the GBP JPY, right? And as you can see that I don't normally buy, sell, or get into a lot of trade whenever time I'm trading forex market, right? So I will just find my entry point on one pair or two or three, then I will just stay trading that particular pair, right? Or you already know that I was able to take about 120 pips yesterday on that particular trade that we took, being GBP USD, right? So that's how we can do it. No need for you to be trading all pairs. I'm just kind of skeptical about some people are trying to grow their account on volatility 75. So volatility 75 cannot grow your account rather than it will just blow your account, man. Of course, we've done a lot of challenges, maybe $200 to $2,000, 100 to 1,000, and things like that. But we are just doing that for challenge purpose. And if you are trying to grow your account, I'm not saying you should just go down to volatility 75 and start trading it, or trying to grow your account on the smaller on the small account, right? No, I would suggest that, because at the end of the day, V75 can just maybe blow your account and get you out of your position. Okay, somebody asking me what's the difference between your premium students and VIP students. So VIP signal students, what they get is only signals. I'll just be sending them signals, nothing like educational stuff like Zoom calls, because we do Zoom calls Wednesdays and Sundays. So there won't be anything like Zoom calls on the VIP channel, right? But all you get is just signals. I will give you signal, buy this, sell this, buy this, sell this. But if I'm not there, you will not be able to um, have any signal, right? But my premium students, they have access to my premium private group chat. They also have access to my um, premium Zoom calls Wednesdays and Sundays. They also have access to the VIP signals that has been sent to VIP students. They also have access to my educational stuff, and I give them analysis and everything, and I explain everything. So I'm right there in my premium group as well. If they have any question, anything like that, I answer each and every one of them, and I'm there to support each one of them. If they have question, I'm right there for them. And if I'm not able to answer it myself right in time, we have a lot of good traders right there. They will be able to help you if you're having any question. They'll answer it for you, and you will be satisfied with their answer, because they are very good and awesome traders as well. Remember, one of my students turned $143 to more than $4,000. His name is Emmanuel. I really, really appreciate how fast he learned how to trade, and he is very, very good in forex trading at the moment. So he's able to grow a lot of small accounts, compound, swing trade, and things like that. It is very, very good. So that's how we do it, man. So that's the difference between my VIP students and the um, premium students. So premium students, they have a lot of packages, man. They have a lot of packages. So we are still waiting for this GBP JPY to go and hit our second take profit. Second take profit is what we need from GBP JPY. And if any of you still have any question, you are free to ask me. Say, hey Israel, I don't understand this, I don't understand that, right? And I'll answer it to my best knowledge. Yeah, you can reach out to me on Telegram or my Instagram on Twitter or whatsoever. So you can go to description of this video, my Telegram or link, my Instagram link, and things like that. They're out there. But let me try to write down my Telegram username. Are you guys enjoying this session so far? Because I like to have I would like to have what does it call it? I would like to have a feedback from you guys, because if you like it, we'll continue doing it like this. But if you don't like it, I have no problem with that. I can just stay in my house and I'll be trading with my live students, with my premium students and VIP students. Yeah, there you go. My Telegram username is right there, right? So let me give you Instagram as well. Instagram is come on GJ, let's go now. GJ, let's go. Who are Nigerians here as well? I'm Nigerian. So they start speaking pidgin. I know how to speak pidgin, but not that kind of much. Okay, so let me give you Instagram now. Let me give you Instagram account, because I see a lot of people are not able to reach me out, right? They know Instagram.com. Yeah, there you go. You have my Instagram right there. So right now, come on, GJ. Let's go, GJ. GJ is about to hit our second check profit for about 50 pips right now, live and direct on YouTube, right? So there you go. You have to just join us, or I mean, you have to contact me on the Instagram, Telegram. Follow us on Instagram, man. That's very, very important. Very, very important for you to follow us on Instagram. It is very important. See, guys, we are trying to build up a family right here. So we are just trying to build up family right here. We are families. I'm your brother. You are my brother. You are my sister. All of us. Let's try to, uh, let's try to build up family right here. Unity is what can bring us together, man. Despite the fact you are black, you are this. Nah, we are not against all of those kind of things. Right here, all of us are together. All of us are together. And we must make it right here in the forest mark. GJ, let's go. GJ is moving right now. Yeah. GJ, come on, GJ. About to hit our second check profit. Let's go, GJ. Come on, GJ. Hit our second check profit. I need it. I need it, man. Come on. 50 pips check profit right now is about to hit. Is about to hit. Is about to hit. We can do it. We can do it. We can do it. If I can do it, you can do it. If you can do it, I can do it. All these people that have achieved in life and they are successful in life, this is how they start and this is how they've done it. So you got to work during the time that some people are not willing to work, right? You have to go extra mile from ordinary people, right? So you have to set a goal for yourself saying that I must make it right here in the forest market or I must succeed in life. But don't forget, put God first. God comes before everything. God first and everything will follow behind. So be prayerful and be prayerful. That's very important. Be prayerful and always seek the face of God. Seek the face of God as always, because after we leave here, where will you be going? Where will you spend your eternal life? Where will you spend your eternal life? That's another very important fact. So please and please, let's not forget about God. Let's not that's very important, because all of these things that we are trying to achieve right here in this world, they are just meant to be right here on this earth, right? Once we are not here, believe me, they will just inherit maybe your son, your sisters, your brother, your dad, or server. They'll just inherit it and you are gone, right? Then where will you spend your eternal life? That's another thing. That's a question for you. Just try to ask yourself, where will I spend my eternal life? But let's try to make it right here in this world, man. But don't make it illegal. Don't make it the illegal way. Make it the legal way, man. Try to trade forex, be financially free, and let's go. So that's how we can do it, and that's how we are all about helping you to unblock forex secret right here on my channel, because that's very, very important and it matters a lot to me. Because if I can be able to teach maybe one or two of you guys now uh, to kind of be profitable trading forex, That will mean a lot to me. That will mean a lot to me because I know that yes, I taught one or two of my students how they can be profitable in the forex market, right? So it is very, very important for us to just kind of stay close to God and put in the hard work. I'm still working hard. I didn't achieve anything, nothing. I didn't achieve anything. I'm just starting out to achieve a lot as much as I can on this earth. So right now, if you have any questions, still ask me, ask me, ask me. I've told you all that. We will still make this to London, I mean to New York session, right? Come on, GJ. What's happening? Come on, GJ. Second take profit. That's what we're waiting for. Right now, let me calculate how many pips is this. Yeah, still 30 something, but we were 44 pips right here. We are 42 pips right here. We were 42 pips, but we are waiting for second take profit for 50 pips. We are waiting for second take profit for 50 pips hit, and from there we can say okay, we are half away from our target, right? Because you can know that we go for how many pips was that? 90 pips as our final take profit, right? So we are waiting for it to kind of hit all of that. Then from there, we can say, oh yes, we are 50 pips in profit. Mr. Ifai, that's cool, man. Say thanks, sir. Thanks for this platform, Mr. Israel. But I would like to become one of your students. Yeah, for sure. That's cool, man. You're welcome. You're welcome. You're welcome. You're welcome. You're welcome. Thank everybody for watching. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you for coming. It is because you are here. That's the reason why I'm here. And it is because I'm here. That's the reason why you are here as well, right? So let's make this a big platform or big family where we can communicate, where we can see our progress and things like that. Because it is very, very important for us to kind of be communicating, know how far things are going, and things like that. It is very important. It is very, very important. And I thank you guys for tuning in to the live stream because it kind of encouraged me to do more, right? Because I see a lot of people are saying, yeah, I like it. I like the live trading things. I like this. I like that, right? So I will try to be making it maybe twice in a week, 3 times in a week, or every day. It depends on if I have time or not. Because right now, today, um, maybe 1 hour from now, we'll end the call, right? Because um, I scheduled it for about 3 hours. So right now, we are about 2 hours, 21 minutes doing this live stream right here on YouTube, right? So it is for 3 hours, and right now we have about 39 minutes left from our ending time, right? So very soon we'll end it. It is the right time for you to ask me any question that you have. So Israel the trader can answer your question right here, right now, live and direct on my YouTube channel. So yeah, don't forget, guys, be giving this video a thumbs up. It makes the video go viral. Just be giving it a thumbs up, thumbs up, thumbs up, thumbs up, thumbs up. Do like you want to smash your screen. Do like you want to break your screen. No, guys, I'm just joking. I'm just joking. Please, please don't break your screen. Please don't break your screen, man. You break your screen. You say Israel, I'm broken my screen, and I don't know. I don't have any fun to trade again. How am I gonna trade? Just because of her, you wanted to smash a like button for me, right? Please don't do that. Please don't break your screen, okay? I'm just kind of uh, playing with you, you know. I like some fun stuffs, you know. So that's it about it. And right now, we are still trading. Come on, GJ, go for second check profit. That's what we are waiting for. Second check profit, second check profit. That's what we are waiting for, man. Oh yeah, I see some people started liking the video, right? Just keep on liking it, keep on liking it, keep on sharing with your friends and family, keep on sharing to any trading group that you are in, so that they can find uh, this particular video very informative, and I'm doing it for educational purpose, right? Come on, no more questions, and let's wait for our second take profit to hit on GBP JPY. And remember, we have about 36 minutes left now in order for us to trade or end this particular session, right? Come on, GJ, let's go. You can do this. Come on, GJ. GJ is going for our second take profit because you all know that we trade forex, and that's all about it. Let me try to see. So we are here waiting for the GBP JPY buy to hit our second take profit. So how often do you guys want me to be doing this live trade and things like that, so that you guys can be seeing my stop loss hits, my take profit hits, my emotions and everything like that? How do I trade? How I manage drawdown? How I manage things like that? Because it will be very very important for you to know all those kind of stuffs. If you are interested in all of those things that I mentioned right now, let me know down in the comment below. Say, hey Israel, I want you to continue trading, or I want you to just continue doing live stream and things like that. Twice in a week, 3 times in a week, every day, every session, even if it is SCR session 24/7, just let me know so I can know exactly if you guys like the live video or live trading, so that we can know how we can go about it, right? So come on, guys, come on, guys. Okay, somebody is saying that weekly twice daily would be great if you can. Daily, 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 daily. Oh wow, that's cool, man. So we'll try to see if who we'll try to see if I'll be able to kind of trying to do it daily, or 2 times in a week, 3 times in a week, whatsoever. But I'll try my best to try and do it maybe the daily, or 2 times in a week, or 3 times in a week. It depends on the schedule. It depends on the schedule. And you already know that I trade a London session and New York session, right? Those are my sessions that I trade right here in the first market. So GJ is coming to try and test this particular zone again before it will shoot up to the upside, right? So I'm ready for you, GJ. You come down for retracement, I'm there for you. You got up for my second take profit, I'll be happy if you do that. So come down, retest, continue going up to the upside. That's what I'm saying, and that's what you are going to do. So we are here trading GBP, JPY. GBP, JPY, first take profit hit 30 pips. Second take profit hit, we are working towards that for about 50 pips to hit, right? So we are waiting for GBP, JPY to hit our second take profit for 50 pips right now. 2 or 3 times a week. Okay. 3 times. Some people are saying 2 or 3 times a week, 2 times a week, and things like that, right? We're trying to see how we can go about it, and so that we can be doing the live streaming, right? Okay, GJ came down for the retracement right now, but retracement has not yet ended. Keep that in mind. Wait for it to finish. And right now, I'm going to put my trend line so that when it comes down, that's my trend line right there. Remember, this 5 minute time frame. So yeah, we are waiting for what GJ is gonna do. So in about 3 hours from now, we enter New York session. New York session is another session whereby it's very very volatile, right? So I kind of like trading the New York session as well. Come on, GJ. I'm seeing that GJ is trying to reject this my previous resistance level, right? So from there, I will be expecting him to continue going, moving to the upside. AUG BCHF. So that's how we trade, guys. That's how me personally I trade, and this is how you can do it as well. No need to be panicking. Do your analysis, calculate your risk reward ratio, do your stop loss, do your first take profit, second take profit, and third take profit, right? That's how you can also do the same thing. Come on, GJ. Let's go. This is the resistance level whereby GBP broke it at a time. Right now, came down for another retracement. So I'll be expecting move to happen again to the upside. That's what I'm expecting from this GBP And I'm okay with this, man. I'm okay with it. My first take profit hit. I'm okay with it. 30 pips start. Right now, I still have some positions open for this particular trade, whereby waiting for second take profit hit and third take profit hit. Come on, GJ. So GJ is trying to come down to retest this line, but we'll see how far can this go, right? And remember, set your stop loss to break even. So what do I mean by set your stop loss to break even? Set your stop loss to entry points that's break even. If the market come down, hit your excuse me, hit your entry points or hit your stop loss at break even. Well, you know that you already took your first take profit, right? But right now, I don't do anything. Waiting for whatsoever GBP to do right here, right now. And my stop loss is still going to be right down here at the 45 pips. That's where my stop loss is right now. I'm not going to put it right here on the um, entry point based on the fact that I'm still saying that the market is actually going to go to the upside, man. There's no doubt about it. I'm not doubting anything like that. So I'm still expecting it to go up to the upside. Come on, GJ. Let's go. Second take profit. That's what we're waiting for before we end this session. Before we end it, waiting for second take profit. You have about 24 minutes left, man. 24 minutes left for us to finish the live trading for a day. And from there, you cannot call it a day. We will try and look out for another day or another time for us to come and start another trade. So GBPJPY is on retracement right now. Let me take Fibonacci retracement. Remember, this is just 5 minutes time frame. Don't rely on this particular time frame. Never rely on it. This is okay. It's trying to reject the 50%, 60% is here. So we're trying to see. Come on, GJ. We are waiting for GJ, man. And of course, let's try and check today's news so that we can know what's going on, right? Um, because it is very important for you to be checking out the fundamental analysis as well. Not that only you just be trading technical analysis and things like that. Just make sure you are checking out the fundamentals. Why is not opening? I'm trying to check it out on my this one. Let me try to see. I'm checking it out now on my phone because I don't know exactly what's happening with my a lot of messages. For factory opening, you gotta check the fundamentals. Let me see what we are having for the day. And don't forget, guys, keep on sharing the video, keep on liking it and things like that so that we can keep this going, right? Because it is because you are here, that's why I'm here. It is because I'm here, that's why you are here. So if you are not here, I'm not going to be here. If I'm not here, you are not going to be here. So let's keep it simple and real. Okay, hi man, I messaged you on Telegram. Okay, don't worry about it. I'll try and check it in meantime, right? So far you send me a message on Telegram, Instagram, whatever, I'll try and check it. Don't worry about that. I'll take care of your messages, man. I'll take care of them, all of them. Come on, GJ, let's go. So, can you guys tell me if you guys took this trade? Because I don't know if you guys actually took this trade, right? Just let me know. Just write on hey, through I took the trade, I took this trade, I took this trade, so that we can I can know that hey, okay, they are actually trading. Come on, GJ. GJ is trying to go to the upside now, as you can see. It's still trying to break out of this resistance because that was just a retracement, right? So right now we are about to go to the upside. Yeah, for sure. That was just a retracement, man. That's what I'm saying. A retracement is gonna happen in the forex market. So when it happens, no need for you to be panicking. The only thing is you're supposed to just set your support level, resistance level, so that whenever time the market try to come down to perform the retracement, you will know that okay, is a retracement, not that it's gonna go against you, right? So let's see how far can this GBP JPY go in our direction. Come on, GJ. Uh, somebody is saying, I'm trying to check. Bro, do this daily. We want to see you live daily. Oh wow, that's cool, man. Thank you very much, and I appreciate it. And also, me too. I want to be seeing you live. I want to see you live and direct as well because we are trying to create family. This one here, it is a family. We are family. You are part of my family. I'm part of your family also because right, love got us here. Unity is the best. So wherever you are watching from now, United States, Canada, UK, Sweden, I have a lot of students in different countries, right? So it doesn't matter where you are from. What matters is the love. All of us are humans, and all of us drink and eat, right? So we should respect one another. That's what matters. Thank you. I used to panic when retracement comes. Okay, I understand. When retracement happens, just trying to put your support and resistance levels accurately. Then when it happens, you control your emotion and you will not know that okay, the market is just retracing. Not that it's gonna go in your against you, right? So of course, the move is not gonna be smooth. The move is not going to be smooth. You will see some downfalls. It will just be moving like a roller coaster, right? So what is this? That just control your emotion and never overtrade. Overtrading is one of the things that try to kind of make us to be, kind of what is it call it now? Blow our accounts and things like that. So please, just trying to be uh, putting your support and resistance levels accurately so that you can know exactly where the market is going to react to some certain stuffs in the forex market, right? It is very important, guys. It is very important because that's how you can control your emotions in the forex market. So yeah, as you can see, we are also waiting for this GBP to continue going all the way to our second check profit for 50 pips right away, right? Right now, we took our first check profit um for first check profit for 30 pips, and that's it. We are still waiting for it. No matter how lost or gain here, but the best thing is you tell us how to trade in forex. Yeah, for sure. I'm trying my best to try to explain uh, to you guys how you can be trading forex, right? Because my goal right here on YouTube it is to unblock forex secrets so that you can be profitable trading forex in the forex market, right? Because everyone can do this, guys. You can do it. I can do it. If you can do it, definitely me too can do it. If all of these big mess, even Jeff Bezos, Bill Gates, Mark Zuckerberg, all of that. This is how it started. This started from, from when it was small. So as you can see that from maybe you are trading $100 accounts, you very soon you start advancing and you start be going up, going up. It's a gradual process. Don't expect it to happen once and for all, and overnight you just be a millionaire. Nah, that's not gonna happen. It is a gradual process, and that's very very important for you to just be patient in the forex market, because this is forex. Anything can happen at any time. Nobody's 100% winning in this forex market. Today your stop loss will hit, tomorrow you take profit hit. Today your stop loss hit, tomorrow you take profit hit. That's how it is. But the thing is, are you able to maximize your winnings than your losing trade, right? So at least let your winning trade exceed or overshadow your losing trade. It is very important if you can do that. It is very very important, guys. So yeah, that's how we can do it, guys, and we can be continue trading the forex market if we are able to try to control our emotions and do things like that, right? So GJ is still going up to the upside. And right here, this is my previous resistance line. As you can see, it's acting as support to support the market to go all the way to the upside, right? But I don't want to add more lot sizes on my account based on the fact that I know what I'm doing right here. And I've calculated my risk ratio. I don't want to risk too much of the accounts. That's why I didn't add more lot sizes. So this is called compounding. It is called compounding. Come on, GJ, let's go. You can do this, man. Before the New York session. How many people? How many time left for us? We got about 10 minutes left for us to wrap things up right here. Okay, somebody's asking. Um, he said that, bro, can you explain to me why you decide the market goes to buy at this level? If you start uh, the live stream with me, you will be able to understand exactly why I get in for the buy, because I started the analysis on this GBP JPY before we start buying it, or before I send a buy signal for it, right? And everything right here we are doing is live and direct. There's nothing like a hidden secret or something hidden right here. If it is my stop loss that is going to hit, we are going to be hitting the stop loss right here on the live stream. If it is take profit, of course our first take profit was triggered, so we thank God for that. And right now we secure some profit right here, right? So what next is we are waiting for our second take profit to be triggered on this particular pair being GBP JPY. Come on, GJ, we are waiting for you. Yeah, this is how I trade, man. This is how I trade. This is exactly how I trade. But I just that I don't explain to you some certain things, right? You know, in everything you have to be putting much effort to show everybody how they can do it in the forex market. But when it comes to premium stocks or VIP stuff, for the first place, why they say it is VIP, the full meaning of VIP is very important person, right? So very important person under premium stuffs, you know. So that's the difference between my free students and the premium students and also VIP students. So I kind of try my best to explain to them and answer any question that they have, and I'm open to their question 24 hours, 7 days a week. So I'm always right here, right now. Anytime that you see me, I'm off of this or doing some certain things. Definitely, I got some things running on, or I have some things that I'm kind of trying to attend to, or I have some things that I'm attending to, right? So that's it. I'm right here, always trading or checking out you guys' messages, right? So, guys, we have about 6 minutes left in order for us to wrap these things up. So, for the last time, if you have any question, just trying to ask me the question right now. If it is something that I can just tell you right here, I will tell you. But if it is something that I cannot tell you right here, I will tell you that. Sorry for that. I will not be able to tell you, but I will do my best to kind of explain it so that you can have basic understanding of that particular thing whereby you are asking me, right? So it is very, very important. You ask your last question now. 5 minutes left for us to finish our live trading streaming, right? GBP USD, we are still in GBP USD together with my premium students and VIP students. And me personally, I'm still in the GBP USD trade as well. So let's try to see what's going to happen right here. So we'll start calculating how many pips. Um, so right now it is about 20 pips, but we took our first take profit, right? So first take profit hit GBP JPY live trading. So right now, before I wrap things up, you're gonna start managing your trade yourself if we end this call, right? So the best thing is try and manage your emotion or try and control your emotion whenever time you're trying to trade in the forex market. So yeah, as I said earlier on that I'm still in GBP USD on buy right now on my account. So GBP JPY was just a live stream trading. You're trading with me live and direct. So GBP JPY is trying to consolidate at the moment, which confirms that it's trying to form a ranging market, right? So of course, this is where I'm trying to take my price range and I will highlight it, but this will be like kind of too fancy and you'll be able to understand what's going on, right? So let's see. How far would this GJ go to the upside, right? We are still here on GJ, guys. GJ is just still on retracement, and we are still expecting it to continue going to the upside, right? That's what we're expecting on this particular pair being GBP JPY. And of course, I know GJ how to shoot to the upside. How to do it, man. It have to do it, and it will do it. So see, be confident enough before you get into any trade, man. Be confident enough. Do your analysis, do your stop loss, and calculate your risk to reward ratio. If the market go against you, this is what you will be losing in dollars. If you are risking about 45 pips, you know that if you get in with 0.1 low size, definitely you lose 45 pips if it hits your stop loss, right? So do things like that. Do your analysis, calculate your risk reward ratio, give out whatsoever share the market is going to take out if it hit your stop loss. And if it hit your take profit, you should be able to know how much you are also going to be making because of that particular take profit hit, right? So that's what is happening right now on GBP JPY. Come on, GJ. I know you're gonna go to the upside. But let's see. Come on, guys. The last hour has come. We are now done with the live stream for the day and live trading, right? Or do you just want me to leave the screen for you so that you can be monitoring? Or nah. I gotta do some stuff as well, right? I gotta go and attend to my premium students and to my VIP students if they have questions and things like that. And if you message me on Instagram or Telegram, I'll try to go there and check it out before New York session so that I can answer your question or try to chat with you, right? So right here, I appreciate each and every one of you guys that has been right here on this live stream from the beginning to the end. So thank you very much for watching, and I appreciate all of you. I mean, all of you. I appreciate it. So thank you very much for joining us today. And we took our first set profit on GBP JPY being 30 pips, and right now the 30 pips moving in profit, going for our second check profit, right? But right now it is about 23 pips in moving right now. So I'm still expecting that the market will go for our second check profit 50 pips. Of course, I did give you first check profit, second check profit, and third check profit when we started the when we start to enter the trade, right? Okay, I didn't give you second check profit, but you can set it to third check profit, right? So that's it for today's live session. Thank you very much for tuning in, guys. I really appreciate it. I can't appreciate it more than this, but that's how I can do it. So somebody said thank you so much, Mr. Israel. Thank you very much, Ifeanyi, as well, for coming on the joining us in the live session. I really appreciate your support and everything that you guys do here on the channel to support us to move forward, right? And M&K says, thanks, bro. Yeah, thanks very much as well. I really appreciate your presence right here too. Come live daily. Yeah, as you say, come live daily. I'll try my best to be coming live daily if I have time to do so and if I'm able to do so, right? So I'll try my best that I can to do it. So once more again, thank you very much and peace out. I'm signing out. Still Israel the trader. Remember, stay safe and monitor your trade, guys. Don't panic, control your emotions, and calculate your support. Calculate your risk to reward ratio before you get into any trade that you're trading in the forex market. It mustn't be my trade. It mustn't be trade that I give you. You can still do the same if you have the right knowledge to do it in the forex market, right? So once more again, thank you very much and have a good day.